Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your JBL Live S660 NS to your Android device. You have to start by open settings, go to connected devices or Bluetooth. Now click on pair new device. Then you should slide up this button and it start automatically pairing. But if it's not, you should press to Bluetooth button right here. Click on your headphones and then click pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.